everyone, today I'm sharing with you how to make this amazing sandwich bread. That's very easy to make. The bread itself was very soft and it turned out delicious. Let's get started. In my mixing bowl I added in warm milk. Please make sure your milk is warm, followed by sugar and dry active yeast. So instead of the dry active yeast, you can use fresh yeast as well. Stir to well combine before adding in the rest of the ingredients, which is egg. Wait or stir to well combined again before going in with the dry ingredients, which is flour, powdered milk and salt. The last ingredient that I added was salt. I'll surely list the amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once the dry ingredients are added, make sure you mix till well combined and knead it for about 5 minutes on your work surface or in the bowl. When done, cover it with a cling film and let this rest for at least from 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, transfer the dough on your work surface and go in with your softened butter. Make sure your butter is in room temperature. It makes it easier to work with. As you can tell from the video, my butter was very soft. So go ahead, play with it. Play with the dough, knead it from 7 to 10 minutes. You want a stretchy dough. At the end, the bread will be soft and it will be very nice. Transfer it back into your bowl, cover it with a cling film, and then let it rest until it has doubled in size. So now we can go ahead for our filling. And this is all-purpose spice and herbs, all-purpose seasoning, all-purpose spice. We have the kelewele spice, and we have the kiba pepper. This took my meat to the next level. I'll leave a link or a number in the description box or in the comment section. So if you want to purchase this spice, you can contact her, and trust me, a spice are very natural. It took, like, you feel the spice, you feel like it's natural, you feel the aroma. I then transfer my meat in. I added in chili pepper, soy sauce, and I mixed it well combined. I then covered it with a cling film, and then I kept that aside and marinated it for about an hour or until it was ready to be used. After 1 hour, go ahead and transfer the dough on your work surface and divide it into 4 equal parts as seen in the video. Bring one, roll it in the ball shape, and then transfer it back on your work surface. Please make sure you cover it with a cling film to stop the surface from drying out. So bring one of the dough out and then roll it as seen in the video. That's very easy, and trust me, the bread itself was very soft, and adding all the meat, the cucumber to it, wow, it took it to the next level. Guys, make sure you try this amazing recipe and let me know the outcome in the comment section. So all you have to do is to roll it, flatten it. The thickness should be around 4 to 5 millimeters. Roll it as seen in the video and then pinch the edge together. All you have to do is to use your palm to roll it and shape it as seen in the video and transfer it on your baking tray. Please make sure you line your baking tray with parchment paper. Now transfer the meat in your air fryer and then go ahead and fry it. Because this, I sliced it into thin slices, it didn't take long. It took about 15 to 20 minutes and it was ready. So all you have to do is to brush your wire rag with oil and then press it to make that design, and bake this bad boys at 170 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. 170 degrees Celsius from 20 to 25 minutes. And here you go, guys. This is simple, it is delicious, and I hope you try it. Share, comment, like. See you, bye.